So guys, that was pretty much it. My name is Dominic and I own Hole Printing Inc. I'm really blessed to be in this position to be able to educate you guys on the direct-to-film community and also on the direct-to-film process. The way I see it is the direct-to-film community is a nice way to be educated and to learn as we go. I'm not an expert. I don't claim to be an expert. I'm just some guy learning as I go, reporting back to you guys with these videos. And if you find it somewhat helpful, a like, a comment is really appreciated, because we will make more courses, more YouTube videos, and more content to help you guys on the DTF journey. Because honestly guys, I wish some sort of course like this existed when I first started 2 years ago, because honestly a course like this would have been really helpful for me. Honestly, I almost quit DTF printing like 100 times. I'm really proud that I kept going because it's gonna make a really big difference in the long run. This is a new technology and direct-to-film is just starting. So if you guys are patient and willing to learn, I think direct-to-film is gonna bless you with so many opportunities. Happy printing guys. Thank you so much for watching this course and this class. I'll see you all in the next one. This was Dom from Hole Printing Inc. Make a print you'll never forget.